Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, today is my son's birthday, Tristan's birthday. He's 8 today. So we're not doing any birthday party. Take him somewhere he doesn't know where he's going. He's actually going somewhere that he really wanted to go for a very, very long time. So I have 2 places that we're taking him today. So we're out with the family, excluding TJ because he had a track meet to go to. So we're just here having a whole bunch of fun. So I want to take you along with the journey today. Alright guys, so we're finally here. He didn't know where he was coming. And tell the camera what you think. What do you think so far?
I'm speechless.
You like it so far? You know to go inside it, right?
This place is amazing.
And I'm not reaching there yet. So this is the birthday boy. So we're gonna go inside. Everyone, follow the birthday boy. Tristan, I think in here is where you come after you get your points. Come on, so let's go there. So. Here's where you get your points. Come, go, lead the way, go. Alright, so we need to go find out how we get the stuff them. Like how the cards and stuff. So they can play. Let me go get the information. Just stay with us. Alright guys, so we're in here, so we need to find out how we get the tickets and stuff. I'm thinking of in here. Hello. Do we get like the card and stuff to play the games in here? I'm sorry? Oh, the kiosk. Okay. Thank you.
But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
Alright, let's find back Troy and the kids. Unless you don't play with her, make she shoot. So guys, we have plans for him to go to, he loves Sonic. So I'm gonna take him to a Sonic movie after this. Sonic 2 just released yesterday. He doesn't know this, so he always wanted to do Golden and stuff. Hence the reason I brought him here today. Wait, come play this one. Oh, look. Daddy help you. Daddy help you, Tevi. Try, make sure you help her. Hey! Come on, now. Alright, Tris. Let's see what else. Guys, I'm loving this place. Spirit time. All the way in Connecticut. And obviously, we're gonna have all the time to spend here because we have another place to go to. We're gonna spend a long time here. But we're definitely gonna come back to the family. Everybody, included. Great job, baby. First. So, in first place. So, have to leave there in the next 15 minutes to go to the next place, but they're on spring break, so this definitely will be another place that will be coming, a place that will be coming again. And again, I tell us that this year is all about traveling, having fun, family time. So, next week is also TJ's birthday, so we'll be going to another place. We just brought Tristan to spend on again. Get ready to move on again? This is the birthday boy. You want much life?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go get it. Come. There you go. Check my card. Guys, they have laser tag, they have bowling. This is also a place that an adult can come to and enjoy themselves. It's not just for kids. They have like restaurant setting. They have
Everybody went.
grill. Like they have everything here. I'm loving it. So we definitely have to come back. You want natural daddy?
We need to land on the ticket.
Yeah. Press the start button.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain.
So guys, we're off. Savannah, stop, baby. We're off to the next location. He has no idea. And he excited to was show up. And he excited. Come Savannah, come around this side. Come this side, baby. So we're going to the next location, and hopefully his reaction can actually show on this one, but he has no idea. As I told you guys where he's going, but he's close to me, I'm gonna say it now. Wait. Where are we, baby? No. We're in the movie theater. What does that mean?
Yo.
Why are we here?
Mama, we can watch the Sonic.
Yes.
Yay. Mama,
Alright guys, so we are at the theater in Painville. One of our favorite movie theaters to come to. And the birthday boy is excited. He had no idea, but if he wanted to watch Sonic 2 forever. Mama. Ooh, smell popcorn.
This time you want to use the restroom before you go?
Trevor, you want to use the bathroom?
I'm not going to come back out if you want.
just finished watching the movie. Yeah. So guys, he just finished watching the movie. Birthday boy, come here. Tell them how was Sonic. How was Sonic? Talk to man. How was Sonic?
Great.
Enjoy yourself? Huh?
Bad guys.
Enjoy yourself?
Yeah. Look, it's the bad guys.
Alright guys, so we're leaving the theater now. My battery is dying, so I didn't get the chance to record everything, but we're heading home. You enjoy your day? You did? Alright, so we're heading home guys. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like, share, and drop a comment. Until next time. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.